Right, welcome back to this YouTube channel, Marvel's Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up our new VPN application, MM Tunnel VPN. So if you are new here on this YouTube channel, we deal in APN settings and VPN settings in all countries and on all networks. So don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials like this. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. And if you get any problem on this YouTube channel, the comment section is open. Or else our members are commenting their problems and we are troubleshooting them in just seconds. So let us start up our tutorial. Don't forget to like the video. So open a Google Play Store, and in your Google Play Store, this is what you are going to do. You're going to search a VPN application, MM Tunnel VPN, and then download, install, and then after open this VPN application. Allow all permissions that will be requested to you by this VPN application, and then after this what we're going to do. But before continuing to this application, keep in mind that this tutorial is for research, information, and education purposes only. Users are requested to follow local laws, internet service providers, terms and conditions, and then community guidelines that govern social media platforms. So, first foremost, we are going to go and then update our servers, choose the online method, and then give it a few seconds for it to update the servers. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. Secondly, we are going to go where you see the auto select server, and then we are seeing deal 6 servers. So choose any server provided that it is near to your country's location. But I recommend my viewers to always keep in the auto select server for a fast, a secure, and a stable internet access. So guys, this is you're going right here. You can come right there, and then watching one advert will make you win 6 hours. That means you must watch an advert to prevent your time or remaining time from expiring. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share this video to your friend. If you get any problem, the comment section is open. So the next step, we're going to come right here, and then it is the last step. Those living in Uganda, you're going to choose any of those servers, but I recommend the V2 server, this one, but it will give you 2.5 GB. That means the data will be expiring. But if you want a server that doesn't expire, you can choose that one. Now for other countries, let us go where you have all countries, and then you're going to type in your country's name. For example, you can type in Zimbabwe, and then you'll be connecting to those servers. You can type any country, Kenya, any country, Pakistan, any country, Saudi. You can type in any country, but for all countries, UDP server, type in UDP, and then you're going to be connecting to this one, or you can connect to that one, but I do recommend this one, that one. Choose that one, and then you're going to come at the start, then we start, and then by doing that, our VPN application will be connected successfully. Our VPN application will be connected successfully. That is it, and let us meet in our next tutorial. I'm Marvel's Tech, and I sign out. See you in the next video.